Welcome. Today we also take few problems on the chapter Parabola, and it is part 4 of that chapter. Let us take the first problem as if PQ is a chord of y square is equal to 4ax parallel to latus rectum. If PQ is equal to length PQ is equal to 12a, S be the focus, then angle PSQ is what? Options: 120 degree, 90 degree, tan inverse 3/4, 2 tan inverse 3/4. So once parabola in standard form is given, say this. PQ is a chord parallel to latus rectum. Suppose this is latus rectum, its length is 4a and length of PQ is 12a, so it must be somewhere after that. Suppose this one, PQ. So as because this is 12a PQ, so this is 6a. So coordinate of P, x coordinate is 8a, y coordinate must be 6a. So let us take it is h6a. H can be obtained because this point lies on that. So we must have y square, that is 6a whole square, is equal to 4a into h. So h is equal to 1a cancels. So h is equal to 9a. So that length is 9a. This is focus. That length is a. So this length is 8a. This is a. This is. Now we have to find the angle PSQ. Due to symmetry, PSQ, this angle PSQ is just double the angle of that PSA, 2 times PS. Suppose this is C. Now for the right angle triangle PSC, we have tan PSC height divided by base, 6a by 8a, that is a cancels, so 3/4. So PSC is equal to tan inverse 3/4. This angle is tan inverse 3/4. So the whole angle PSQ, it is equal to 2 times tan inverse 3/4. So our option D is correct. Fourth option is correct. Now take next problem. the value of b so that ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 will meet x square minus 4x minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0 for all values of a and c only at one point. So actually, what are given? One parabola is given, not in standard form. It is actually given x square present, x present, y, and so its axis is parallel to x axis. It is of the type y is equal to ax square. So it is y is equal to x square plus bx plus c of that type. So it is of that type. Of that type. Axis is parallel to y axis. Now I told you that for this one, this is a parabola in standard form. Any straight line may meet the parabola at no point. This one meets no point. At one point or at 2 points. This meets at 2 points. 1 point, when it will meet 1 point, if the straight line is parallel to axis of the parabola. Here, axis of the parabola is y-axis, parallel to y-axis. So, a straight line will meet this at only at 1 point if the straight line is parallel to y-axis. That is, if b is equal to 0. If b is equal to 0, for all values of a and c, that is x is equal to minus c by a, it is parallel to y-axis. So it will meet the parabola only at 1 point. So our answer is b is equal to 0. Oh, options are not given. Options are 4, 2, 0 and minus 1. So 0 is correct answer. Okay. Then take the next problem. The equation of the chord of y square is equal to 12x y square is equal to 12x whose midpoint is at 3 minus 3. Options. These are the options. Okay. Now let us see the problem. One parabola is given y squared is equal to 12x. It is in fact given in standard form, and it is of that type. 3 minus 3 is a point somewhere there. We have to find equation of the chord whose midpoint is that, means midpoint is this. Suppose this is the equation of the chord, its midpoint is 3 minus 3. We have to find the equation of that chord of the parabola. There is a formula. I told you that midpoint, if midpoint of a chord of a parabola is given, then its equation is t is equal to s1. What is t? T is, in fact, the equation of tangent at that point, as if t is the equation of tangent of that curve at that point. And S1 is the equation of the conic parabola by putting x is equal to this and y is equal to that, S1. So for getting tangent, we know that if equation is of that form, y squared minus 12x is equal to 0, to get equation of tangent at any point, we have to write y square is y into y minus the linear 6 into x plus x is equal to 0. Now to get equation of tangent, we have to put one y, this y coordinate, and one y intact, and one x, this point, and one x intact. So it is equal to minus 3 into y minus 6 into x plus 3 is equal to 0 by equation of tangent. So that we get, and what is S1? S1 is equal to y square, means minus 3 whole square minus 12 into 3, that is 9 minus 36. So equation of the chord whose midpoint is this is equal to t is equal to S1. T means this one, that is minus 3y minus 6 into x plus 3 is equal to S1 means minus 27. Cancelling by minus 3, so y plus 2 into x plus 3 is equal to 9. That is y plus 2x is equal to 3. So this option is correct. So when we tell you about the equation of tangent of any curve at any point, we have to use this technique to find equation of tangent at any point. Once again, I am repeating the process. If equation is this, if it is quadratic, first term is quadratic, make it y into y. If it is linear, it is minus 6 into x plus x. After that, put one y intact and one y coordinate. One x intact, one x, the x coordinate of that point. This way you can find equation of tangent of all curves without any lot of calculation. Okay, now our next problem. the length of latus rectum of the parabola 25 into x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square is equal to 3x plus 4y plus 4 whole square. Actually, one curve is given, x in x square present, x present, y square present, y present, and x into y present. That is, and they claim that this is a parabola, and we have to find its length of latus rectum. But so very simple thing that it is not given in standard form. If focus of a parabola is at 1, 2, and equation of directrix is 3x plus 4y plus 4 is equal to 0, then equation of the parabola is, like, say, this is not x-axis, not y-axis. Suppose this is parabola. This is equation of directrix. Any point on it is xy. S is here 1, 2. I'm taking that S is 1, 2. Then we know that SP square is equal to, this is PM. SP square is equal to PM square. Means SP is equal to PM. SP square how much? SP, it is x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square, SP square. PM square how much? P is the point xy, M is that straight line. It is equal to 3x plus 4y plus 4 divided by root over of 3 square plus 4 square. It is actually equal to 9 plus 16, that is root over 25, that is 5. So it is whole square. Sorry. So it is root over cancel. So 25, this 25 would be there. So 25 into x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square is equal to 3x plus 4y plus 4 whole square. Now this is the equation of parabola. So if a parabola is given in that form, from there we have to collect what is focus, what is directrix. Focus would be, this is equal to 0, this is equal to 0, that is 1, 2. Focus is 1, 2. Equation of directrix is, this is equal to 0. Once we know that this is a parabola, its focus is at 1, 2, its equation of directrix is this, then very easily we can find the equation of directrix. What would be equation of fact is, we have to find the length of latus rectum. For standard equation, length of latus rectum is 4a. What is A? A is from focus to vertex. This is A. Or from focus to equation of directrix, this is A, this is A. Focus to directrix is 2a. So latus rectum will be 2 times length of distance from focus to equation of directrix. Focus equation of directrix is this. So without any lot of calculation, we can say that length of latus rectum is equal to 2 times distance from focus to focus to equation of directrix. That is 2 into 3 into 2, 6, plus 4 into 2, 8, plus 4 divided by root over of 3 square plus 4 square, that is 5. So that it is equal to 2 into root over, it is root over 3 square plus 4 square is 5. So it is equal to 2 into 18 divided by 5. So that it is equal to 36 by 5. Options 30. Just 1 minute, just 1 minute. I have mistaken somewhere. The length of lattice rectum 25 x minus 1, okay, 1 comma 2, okay. And 3x plus 4y plus 4, it actually equal to 3 plus, oh, it is actually 2 into perpendicular distance from this point to that point. So 3 into 1, that is 3. 3 into 1 plus 4 into 2, 8 plus 4, that is by divided by 5. So it is equal to 12, 15 divided by 5. That is, it is equal to 30 divided by 5, so 6. 6 is the length of lattice rectum. And options were 5, 8, 6, and 7. So 6 is the length of lattice rectum of that parabola. Achha, I told you this type of problem is very, very important for West Bengal joint entrance, any state level joint entrance, and for IIT main and advanced. Very important. Okay. Now one equation is given in that way, in that form. From there, very easily we can calculate its focus. Focus will be 1, 2, and equation of directrix is this. And this calculation I told you for verification, but in exam it is not at all necessary to show this type of calculation. So only you find focus, equation of directrix, distance between this to that, and lattice rectum is 2 times that. So it is a matter of say few seconds only. Okay, next. Next problem. PQ is a chord parallel to lattice rectum of y square is equal to 4x. If PQ is equal to 8, length PQ is equal to 8, then angle which PQ subtend at vertex. Options 120 degree, 90 degree, 60 degree, and 70 degree. 75 degree, not 70. Then let us discuss the problem once again. This is a parabola in standard form. Y square is equal to 4ax, a is 1. And PQ is a chord parallel to lattice rectum. PQ is a chord parallel to lattice rectum of that. If PQ is 8, find the angle which PQ subtend at vertex. Okay, so let us draw. Y square is equal to 4x, and PQ, its lattice rectum is 4. Suppose lattice rectum is somewhere there, so PQ is more than 4, so PQ is away from it. It is PQ. Then we have to find the angle POQ. This angle. Now, given that PQ is equal to 8, this length is 8, so that length is 4. So, coordinate of 8, P, may take it as h, 4. As P lies on this parabola, that points must satisfy it, so that 16 is equal to 4h. So h is equal to 4. So coordinate of P is actually 4, 4. So this is 4, this is 4. Now, very simple problem, it become very simple. This angle is actually tan theta is height by base 1, that is 4 by 4 is 1. So this angle is 45 degree. So our required angle is 90 degree. So this is correct option. Okay, let us take the next problem. The axis of a parabola is along y minus x is equal to 1, that is y is equal to x plus 1. This is axis of the parabola is along that line, and vertex at the point A, vertex at the point 2, 3. If vertex is below focus and distance of vertex from directrix is 2√2, then equation of the straight line along latus rectum is options: x plus y is equal to 6, x plus y is equal to 9, x plus y is equal to 7, x plus y is equal to 5. Okay, let us see the problem. Equation of parabola is not given, but instead of that, given that this is equation along axis of the parabola. Suppose this line is y is equal to x plus 1, is something like that. A is the vertex 2, 3. This is SA. So this is the parabola. Focus. Vertex is below focus. So S is there. This is vertex. And length and distance of vertex from directrix is 2√2. This is, say, equation of directrix. The distance from A to equation of directrix, it is equal to 2√2. Then you have to find the equation of straight line along the latus rectum. We have to find this equation, PQ, equation of that. First of all, you see that axis and latus rectum, they must be perpendicular to each other. So axis, and this is parallel to that. So axis and that line PQ, they are perpendicular to each other. So equation of PQ must be of the type perpendicular to this. Its gradient is 1. So its gradient will be -1. So y is equal to minus x plus say k. K is unknown. We have to find it out. Now it can be found from the fact that length between vertex to directrix is equal to length between vertex to focus. So which is equal to 2√2. Now equation of axis is given as that y is equal to x plus 1. Focus lies on it. So focus S, its coordinate can be taken at any point on that. Any point on that means x is equal to say alpha, then y will be alpha plus 1. So focus, its coordinate is of the form alpha 1 plus alpha for all values of alpha. So one condition is there, that length is equal to this length, and which is equal to 2√2. That is, we are given AS, that length is 2√2. That is, AS whole square is equal to 2√2 whole square. A is 2, 3. A is 2, 3. So it is 2 minus alpha whole square plus. This is 3 minus 1 plus alpha whole square, that is 2 minus alpha again whole square is equal to 8. 4 into 2, 8. That is 2 into 2 minus alpha whole square is equal to 8. So 2 minus alpha whole square is equal to 4. So 2 minus alpha is equal to plus minus 2. That is plus minus 2. That is, if we take alpha is equal to plus 2, then this one is plus 2, then alpha is equal to 0. If you take negative value, that is, in that case alpha is equal to 4. Now you see, alpha is equal to 0 is not possible, because given that S is above vertex, coordinate of A is 2, 3, its coordinate cannot be 0 and 1. So alpha is equal to 4. So focus is 4, 5. 4, 5. And equation of PQ is this. S lies on it, then it must satisfy it. Therefore, y is equal to minus x plus k. That is, y is 5 is equal to minus 4 plus k. So that k is equal to 9. So answer is this, where k is equal to 9. That is, x plus y is equal to 9. X plus y is equal to 9. So this answer is correct. So, okay. Please share it, like it, and subscribe it. Thank you.